Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new video. In this video, you are solving this question you see on the screen. It is given that t equals -1, 3, and then k equals 2, -4. You have to find 2t plus k. You can pause the video and then try your hands. Now let's quickly go into it. So our solution. What we want is what we've been given. Our t is -1 and then 3. And then our k is 2, -4. So if you are being asked to look for 2t plus k, all they are saying is anytime you see t, put all of this over there. You see, anytime you see what k, also put this over there. So you are substituting. This is under vectors, but we are applying substitution here, right? So I have my 2. Then instead of the t, I'm going to write all this over here. That is -1, 3. Then plus, instead of k, I'm going to put what? 2, -4. Now, vector says that anytime you have a scalar, what the scalar does is let it multiply both components. You see? So it's going to multiply both components. So that we are going to get what? A 2 times -1, then a 2 times 3. You see? Then plus our 2, -4. 2 times -1 gives us a -2, and 2 times 3 gives us a 6, plus 2, -4. Now this is what addition of vectors. Whenever we are adding vectors, we do that component wise. That is, we have -2 from here plus 2, -2 plus 2. You see, then we come to the y component, 6 plus -4. So -2 plus 2 gives us a 0. Then 6 plus -4 gives us what? A 2. Now there's nothing else to simplify. So this becomes your final answer. That is 2t plus k. Thank you.